What is up guys, Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphones. So these are the most bass heavy headphones in the market right now, and trust me, no other headphones even come close when it comes to bass. And if you like listening to hip hop music, trance, techno music, basically if you like listening to bass heavy music, these are the headphones for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these up and see how good these are. So they just got delivered in this box here. I ordered them from Best Buy, and it actually just took them 1 day to deliver it. That's pretty good. Best Buy has a good delivery service. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we get inside. There they are, the Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphones. Put this box to the side. So at the front, you can see the picture of the headphones. It says 40 hours of battery life. On this side, this says Skullcandy branding, and on the back, it says feel the bass, tuned to you. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this seal up. Finally, it's off now. Let's slide these out. I think it's like this. Yep. These headphones out, just like that. And here we are nicely presented with the headphones. First we get the 3.5mm audio jack cable. Wow, that's good. Here we have the charging cable. So it's a USB-C. And here I'm guessing is warranty guide. And then over here we get another user guide. So now let's get to the main part, the headphones. Here they are nicely wrapped up in this bag. So they're not getting a case, they're actually getting a bag here. It's not bad. Let's take them out of this bag. And here they are, Crusher Evo headphones. Nicely folded. And wow, what a nice material that they've used. It's kind of like rubberized material. Pretty lightweight as well. Wow, good material, that's what I can tell. Here's the Skullcandy logo on the side. And then up here, they use this nice band for comfort. And nice cushioning for comfort. And this, I'm guessing, is to control the bass or the volume. Not sure. This is a charging port. It's a USB-C charging port. 3.5mm audio jack here. Here's, I'm guessing, a mic. Then you control the volume, I'm guessing, from here. And Bluetooth pairing mode from here. But yeah, these headphones look pretty good. That's all I can tell. These headphones are the best headphones in the market if you like bass. So yeah, if you like bass, go for these headphones. These sound like you have subwoofers on your ears. That's how good the bass is on these headphones. And yeah guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.